What are common Xbox 360 internet connection problems in 2020?
Hello there, fellow gamers. Today, we're going to tackle some common internet connection problems that you might encounter while using your Xbox 360. Even though we're in 2020, and newer consoles are out there, some of us are still enjoying the classics on this legendary console. Let's get your Xbox 360 back online.
What are the common Xbox 360 internet connection problems?
The Xbox 360 is a sturdy machine, but like all devices, it can run into some issues. Here are the most common Xbox 360 internet connection problems that users reported in 2020-1. Wireless network connection failure. This happens when your Xbox 360 fails to connect to your wireless network. 2. Wired network connection failure. This occurs when the Xbox 360 cannot establish a connection through a wired network. 3. DNS, domain name system, errors. These errors usually show up when your Xbox 360 can't translate the name of the service it's trying to reach into a valid IP address. 4. NAT, network address translation, type issues. These problems usually lead to issues with multiplayer gaming or joining parties on Xbox Live.
How to fix Xbox 360 internet connection problems?
Here are some general troubleshooting steps you can follow for each problem. Wireless network connection failure 1. Restart your network hardware. Unplug your modem and router, wait for a minute, then plug them back in. 2. Test the wireless network. From the Xbox 360 dashboard, go to System Settings, Network Settings, Test Xbox Live Connection. 3. Update the console's firmware. Sometimes, an outdated firmware can lead to connection problems. Wired network connection failure 1. Check your Ethernet cable. Make sure that it's securely connected to both the Xbox 360 and your modem or router. 2. Test the wired network. Follow the same steps as with the wireless network, but choose wired network instead. 3. Try a different Ethernet cable. If the problem persists, it might be due to a faulty Ethernet cable. DNS errors 1. Manually set your DNS. Use public DNS servers, like those from Google, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, which you can set up in the Network Settings on your Xbox 360. 2. Contact your ISP. If the issue continues, you might need to contact your internet service provider for further assistance. NAT type issues 1. Enable UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, on your router. This allows your router to automatically adjust the settings needed to connect your Xbox 360 to Xbox Live. 2. Manually port forward. If enabling UPnP doesn't work, you can manually set up port forwarding on your router for your Xbox 360. And that's it. Hopefully, these tips help you get your Xbox 360 back online in no time. Remember, it's all about enjoying the gaming experience, so don't let these issues get in your way. Happy gaming!